Hi guys, my name is Adrian. My friends call me Adi, and we are here in Heathrow. We're having a very nice event at Samuel Leeds event for new students and for the academy. Well, I'm still a student. Well, I just joined the academy. Yeah, I'm really happy where we are.
Fantastic. And what's it like seeing Samuel on stage? What's his energy like?
Oh, it's very nice. I mean, it's it's just it's just that different, you know. Because I've been to the first course, you know, the 1 point course, but once you are here with all the people, you know, it's just a different mindset. Yeah.
Tell me a bit about your experience in property so far. What have
I don't have much experience, honestly. I just started now. I'm a proper newbie. Yeah.
Excellent. But what makes you want to get into property?
Uh, I graduated as a civil engineer a long time ago, you know, so I think it's now the time to do the step for these things.
Excellent. So people are kind of like doing deals in the room, like this, like.
Yeah, I'm looking for dealing sourcing.
Fantastic. What's it like seeing people kind of like make money and land deals in the room today? What's it like seeing that?
That's really nice. That's really nice. It's unbelievable. I mean, you need to put the work, you know, for everything, you know, because it's not easy to do all the diligence and everything, you know, but it's very feasible.
Fantastic. What do you want to go away and do after this?
Yeah, I'm looking for dealing sourcing.
Excellent. And
Yeah.
I think how is today's event going to help you do that?
Oh, I've already learned a lot. I mean, it's a lot of information, and I still, you know, the more you learn, you realize that you need to learn more. You know, every day is a school day.
Fantastic. And to anyone who's thinking about getting into property, what would you say to them?
Do it today. Don't wait for tomorrow.
Excellent. Would you recommend Samuel?
Yes, why not? He's the best, yeah.